Docks, a tale of emotions. Docks is a porcelain stoneware collection of wood finishes aged to recover timeless values and emotions. Docks covers all kinds of public and residential settings, creating floors that have a story to tell, like a past that comes to the surface to blend perfectly with new concepts of furnishing and lifestyles. In this renovated living area, Docks underlines the appearance of wood in its natural state. Docks offers all the emotions of aged wood, knots and tiny imperfections, variations of color and shade, surfaces marked by the signs of aged planks. Particularly suited to modern and cozy kitchens, it withstands stains and damp perfectly. Docks is also ideal for elegant and classical bathrooms, where the inlaid appearance of the Kensington floor tiles is reminiscent of the work of skilled craftsmen. The soft, natural nuances of the floor with a heritage appearance like this boutique are the indispensable ingredients for a design with a contemporary flavour. Antique or modern floor styles are ideal for renovating period homes. In this kitchen, Docks is also used to tile the walls, combined with Traffilato melt-in. A pale, bright floor throughout the home, with an extraordinarily current appeal. The aged slats perfectly suit this hall with an oriental feel, yet equally this room with a blatantly Western image. Docks is the ideal flooring for public spaces. This porcelain stoneware is easy to clean, resistant to foot traffic, and is non-slip according to standard R9. 5 original and sophisticated color variants. Each one expresses a different personality, a different world, to create a truly complete range. The large-sized slat, 25 by 150 centimeters, helps to create the effective realism of this tile. Kensington, in size 75 by 75 centimeters, expresses all the wealth of an inlaid floor with surprising realism, is easy to lay and practical to maintain. Docks is completed with FAP 2.0, an innovative series of 2 centimeter thick outdoor slabs. Easy to install, they can be laid on gravel, sand or grass. They can also be used for raised flooring or laid traditionally for vehicular surfaces. The first FAP monolithic porcelain stoneware collection, 2 centimeters thick, ideal for all outdoor flooring with non-slip features to standard R11 A plus B plus C. Docks, a tale of emotions.